Hi my lovelies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ali Cake, and in today's video I'll be showing you this lime green in a corner look, Kylie Jenner inspired, and it's matching my lime green hoodie. If you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. And I wanted to thank you guys so much for over 200 subscribers. Please stay tuned for more vlogs and videos, and thank you so much. And yeah, okay, so we are about to get started with this Kylie Jenner inspired look. So firstly I'll be going in with this brown, and I'm gonna be blending that like around here and outer corner. Yes, I'm gonna be blending that there.
See my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me.
I'll be going in with this white, and I'm putting that right on the lid, but like if I'm doing a half cut crease, but it's not really a half cut crease, I'm just gonna be passing the white right to the front of my eye.
Outside in an AMG, right outside.
We're back in with the same brown and kind of like bringing it back a little bit because it get lost with the white. Okay, so I'm putting some of this color to brighten it up just a little bit because it's not bright enough for me.
All the niggas round me, right at it night. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional.
Okay, so I was going in with this dark brown, and I'm going with that right on top because I need it to be a little more dark.
Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
So now I'm gonna do my brow bone, and I wanna go in with this lighter color here.
2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I wanna go in with some of this green, and I'll be putting that in my inner corners and kind of blending it in a little bit because the hoodie I'm wearing green, even though this green is not the same shade of green. Okay, so I wasn't getting any green I want, so I put this green and then I put this yellow on top. to create kind of neon green because I don't have no neon colors. I need to get some neon. I need to get makeup. I have a lot of things I need to get. I'm putting some eyeliner, black eyeliner. I'm gonna do my wing liner.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look.
All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.